Hi there! This video will show you how to utilize symbol libraries in Illustrator to help you keep consistent branding for your packaging designs. Begin by going to the top menu and clicking Window then Symbols. This is the symbol library where you can access a variety of preset symbols or create your own symbol libraries. You can browse Illustrator's preset symbols by clicking on the Symbol Libraries menu in the bottom left corner. To create your own symbol library, begin by making your first symbol. When you're happy with it, drag it into the symbol library to add it to the library. To edit a symbol, double-click it in the library to edit its properties. Once you're happy with your symbol library, you can use your symbols by dragging it from the symbol library onto your packaging design. If you would like to make changes to this use of the symbol without affecting the symbol in the library, right-click and select Break Link to Symbol. Now, any changes you make will not affect the symbol in the library. To save a symbol library, go to the button on the top right corner and select Save Symbol Library. This should save to where all your other symbol libraries are saved. If you want to import a symbol library, click on the button in the top right corner and select Open Symbol Library and click Other Library. Then, once you've located the symbol library file, it should be imported into your Adobe Illustrator ready for use. Just like that, you're able to use symbol libraries for cohesive branding designs across your packaging. Happy designing!